Well, the feds finally got Hunter Biden. He could have faced 10 years in jail and some big fines, but he's just going to walk free. Here are the details. I'm sure you recognize this motley crew: Joe, Jill, and Hunter. Joe Biden on the right has just agreed to plead guilty to federal crimes in a deal with the U.S. government. It was just announced a couple days ago. Hunter, who's now 53, is admitted to intentionally failing to pay federal income tax and weapons charges. He plans to plead guilty, and they've lowered the charges to misdemeanors that only carry 1 year in jail if guilty. However, there apparently is a plea bargain, and he's never going to serve time. Now, he got $1.5 million in taxable income in 2017, $1.5 million in 2018. He should have paid $100,000 each year in taxes. He didn't. In 2020, Hunter said, "Tax authorities are investigating my tax affairs. I'm confident that a professional and objective review of these matters will demonstrate I handled my affairs legally and appropriately." Even the government has come up with the evidence that shows he was guilty, and he is going to plead guilty. And the question is, what's going to happen? Well, he also is facing unlawful use and addiction to controlled substances, specifically cocaine, also a firearm, a Colt Cobra 38 Special with a certain serial number on it. He transported it interstate commerce. People convicted of a crime are punishable by a year in prison for this. And if you add all these things up, the things that he apparently has done, he could serve apparently decades in jail. According to the rumor, the U.S. attorney, this guy, David Weiss, representing the Department of Justice, you know where the FBI is going to let him go with, get this, nothing. Literally nothing. The total charges carry up to 10 years in jail and a $250,000 fine, and yet nothing is going to happen. But the Bidens did make a statement, which I found rather interesting, not unlike what any parent would do. Quote, "The president and the first lady love their son and support him as he continues to rebuild his life. We will have no further comment." Joe Biden said, "My son did nothing wrong. I trust him. I have faith in him, and will continue to do so." So Hunter is now going to be guilty of 2 charges where he could have gone to jail for 10 years. He's going to serve no time. But if it happened to you and me, and we had made $1.5 million in taxes, taxable income, 2 years running, you can bet your bottom dollar somebody would have come to get us. Don't you think? Do we have a 2-tier justice system, as many people are saying? Sure seems like it.